today's launch has the biggest peak Pattern's website has ever seen. So pretty well, 2 live visitors right now. Wow. So today I launched version 1.3 of Pattrn, which allows you to use the app without having to pay anything, which wasn't previously accessed before. And now we have a free plan and a pro plan. Pattrn is a goal and habit tracking app, and I started building around 3 months ago. Basically going in this video to talk about everything how it's been since the beginning. So let's start showcasing a little bit more about the app. I have this old phone here that I using for development, and basically this is the main interface. You have habits, goals, insights page. So here's the goals page, insights page, and also your profile here. You have your habits here like a regular habit tracking app, and you can access and see a bunch of things. For example, your streak, the accuracy, and also some AI analysis here of how it's going. So if you check your habits each day, you can build a super streak, which is basically a streak like Duolingo but for habits. And the same goes for goals. Basically what this allows you is to track your progress. So I've read 1.5 books from my goal of 10 books, and I have my accuracy from my habits here, if I'm ahead or behind my goal. So according to my target, I'm 15% ahead of my goal, and also some analysis here for the AI. Can also track some photos. So if I take a picture here, I can track some photos of the books I'm reading in this case. And yeah, it basically lets you input the goals and keep track of your progress. And this is the insights page, pretty nice here too. So how did I even start and get the idea for the app? Well, the idea came from trying a bunch of different habits and goal tracking apps, which I never actually liked any of them. They always had something that was missing, either a clunky UI, interface that was not good, or so many useless features that just got the app bloated, or, paid features for everything that it wanted to do. So I basically last year said, well, why don't I try to make the app of my own? Would be a nice thing to try. So I started. I used my notebook to draw all the screens that I like to have, and started to research a little bit on how I wanted to do. I never had a lot of programming skills. I already coded a little bit with Python, but only basic programs before. So I started to take a look on how was going to be the development process. As I said, I drew some of the screens, and I jumped straight into Figma to design the screens that I wanted. I had some very nice design skills, if I'm being honest, so I started to design the whole screens of my app and basically everything that I wanted to do. And then, as I said, I researched on how to do. The main challenge was that I didn't even know where to start, so I gladly had the help of AI to help me do this thing. Started building the screens. So we usually start with the primary screen. So for example, this would be the habit screen. And then basically started building bit by bit. The whole process started around December, and I started building the app and basically adding features, trying it out, and getting a lot of help from AI, as I said. The only AI that can do this right, by the way, is the reasoning models like ChatGPT 01, ChatGPT 03 nowadays, and started helping me write the code. Really helped me a lot, and I got refining, correcting some bugs until I was satisfied. By the end of December, I had a fully working prototype that I was able to send to my phone. This before registering anything in the App Store. I got to test my app, got a bunch of bugs, got a lot of things to fix, but the happy thing that I was is I loved my app. I loved what I was building, and I actually used a lot. It was much better than any of the habit tracking and goal tracking apps that I tried up to date. And this was my primary goal there. About 2 weeks ago, exactly, I launched the app for the first time in the App Store. I spent January polishing and refining some bugs that I had, but then I was able to finally launch the app, and it was a pretty nice experience. But I initially launched the app on a premium only subscription, and I saw that everyone that tried the app, I could see these by looking at some data that I had. Everyone that was trying the app was not actually converting to a free trial. They were not converting to a pro plan. And I reflected to myself, like, if I downloaded the app and it only had a pro option, would I honestly use? And the answer that I got was no. So I quickly tried to revamp the app and do some changes, and today I launched this new version 1.3 that allows you to use the app completely for free with unlimited habits and up to 2 goals without the paid plan. And now most of my efforts are going to be dedicated to adding a few new features, but mostly marketing, trying to get into short form marketing. And I have big aspirations of what I want to do with marketing for this product, and I'm really excited to try new things. So for example, short form content, some nice creative things, and some product showcases would be really nice. But yeah, basically this is how the app's journey has been. It's been pretty nice. And the next features that I'm going to add in the app are very exciting for my part. They are widgets, so you can put in the lock screen. I'm still working on designing those and implementing those, and also some more robust AI features. So yeah, basically it's going pretty well. I think we're hitting more users now that the product is completely free. If you want to check out, feel free at any time. The app is completely free, as I said, and available on everywhere the App Store is available. So yeah, that's the story of how I built Pattrn and how I'm building Pattrn actually, because now is the most difficult part, is the marketing part. And if you like the video, I'm going to continue to post these updates, these sort of vlogs about how it's going the app, and also the design agency that I do. So if you're interested, feel free to subscribe here to the channel. And yeah, basically it's this. If you want to try Pattrn, go to pattrn.click, which you're going to be redirected to the App Store or the website if you're not an iOS user. So yeah, thank you so much and enjoy.